Welcome to Acrasia Studios, and today's lesson is How to Meditate for Beginners. My name is Min, and in this video, I'm going to show you step by step on how to meditate if you've never done it before. I'll cover off 6 main things in this video: why you should meditate, where you should meditate, how to adjust your body for meditation, how to adjust your mind for meditation, what to do when you're meditating, and how to make it a daily habit. So why should you meditate? Meditation has been around for thousands of years and in many forms. It's a discipline and a habit that has numerous proven benefits for your body and mind. Some of these benefits include being a better human being, being present in the moment, and one of the benefits I like most, it gives you a mental drop-down option for when you're dealing with life or any stressful situation. Meditation helps bring awareness to the things around you and yourself. Where should you meditate? First, find a spot that is quiet, has no distractions, and preferably not too noisy. Ideally in your own bedroom and not in a nightclub or someplace that is going to disturb you or distract you. How to adjust your body for meditation. Get a cushion that is comfortable that you can sit on, have your back against a wall, or at the end of a bed. Alternatively, you can meditate on a chair if you prefer. Sitting on the floor or chair are completely fine, whichever is comfortable for you. Cross your legs, place your hands gently on your thighs. Don't clutch your hands, relax them, and they can be cupped or relaxed on top of each other. Having your head facing forward, keep your back straight. For beginners, close your eyes. How to adjust your mind for meditation. When you're in your position, your eyes are closed and there are no distractions, it is optional to have some meditation music, as it does help with getting yourself into that zone. If you're on YouTube, you can scroll through some meditation music, you may come across plenty of those, or you can use apps such as Insight Timer, Calm, or Headspace. Choose one that suits you. What to do when you're meditating. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Concentrate on the breath and bring awareness to the air entering the lungs, and when you breathe out, bring that awareness to the air leaving your lungs. Repeat and concentrate on that for just 5 minutes. When you're starting off, you might have these thoughts like, why am I doing this? Or I need to make those cookies. Don't judge those thoughts or yourself. Let them pass and continue breathing. It's perfectly normal for your brain to have thoughts jumping up and down to start off with. Just let these thoughts through for what they are. This is called mind wandering, and it's pretty common for meditation beginners. Whenever you feel that your mind is wandering, concentrate on your breath and the whole process of breathing. How to make it a daily habit. Meditate for 5 minutes and slowly build yourself up. Then extend it to 7, 10, then 15 minutes. I prefer to meditate for at least 15 minutes every day before I start anything else. Doing meditation before going to sleep is fine as well. Think of each meditation session as a pre-workout for the brain to start the day, giving it that moment of peace, teaching yourself awareness. So if you're curious about meditation, I suggest you give it a try and let me know. If you enjoyed this video, please give a like and subscribe. And I will end this video with this quote.